Welcome to the video demonstration on how to add and remove a list owner in the LISTSERV web application. A LISTSERV owner is a primary administrator of the list. Owners can change the configuration of the list, add and delete subscriptions, and change the subscription settings. They can also decide who can approve and edit messages sent to a list. You can have more than one list owner for a list. There are many ways that you can add or delete roles such as owners, moderators, and editors, but the simplest way is using the alphabetic keyword list. Using the alphabetic keyword list allows you to select a parameter or the keyword that you want to change in your list settings. When you click on a keyword, all you need to do is fill out a form or a field with the new settings you want to include or add or remove information from a field. To do this, after logging into LISTSERV web application, you need to display the list that you want to add owners or transfer ownership to or delete owners from. Start by clicking on the List Management tab on the banner and then click to select List Dashboard. This displays the list towards the bottom of the screen in the List Management Dashboard window. If the list is not showing towards the bottom of the screen, I can search for the list. To search for a list, we'll click on List Management on the banner and select List Dashboard. We'll now type the name of the list in the search field. For our example, we'll search for the list list-listserv-2. After typing the list name in the search field, we'll click on the search button. The list will appear at the bottom of the screen. If you only own one list, it will be selected by default. In this example, I'll click on the link for list-listserv-2-test to display the list on the screen. Having displayed my list, I'll now go back to the banner at the top of the screen and click to select List Management. To open the alphabetic keyword list wizard pane, I'll click List Configuration and then select Alphabetic Keyword List. The alphabetical keyword listing screen is showing. This shows the keyword links to the left of the window and the description to the right of the keyword. We can select the setting we wish to update in the alphabetic keyword listing pane. Since we want to update the owners of this list, we'll click the owner keyword link towards the bottom of the screen. We can now enter the new owner's email address in the field to the right of owner equals keyword. To delete an owner, just remove the user's email address from the list in the owner equals field. Multiple owners' addresses can be included as shown here. Any owner listed under quiet will have a list management rights but will not receive any delivery error or administrative mail from LISTSERV. Please note that if you are removing yourself as an owner, once you click on Save, you immediately lose access to manage the list, so be sure that this is what you want to do. To complete the process, once you've finished entering or removing the address or addresses, click the Save button. You can access additional training materials at our Help Files website or on the ServiceNow system. There you can find more instructional videos and knowledge articles on how to use LISTSERV. You can also find out more about LISTSERV at its.weill.cornell.edu. Thank you for watching this demonstration.